Good morning. I think we're going to get a little peek of the sun between the clouds. Pretty morning. Begin by just letting yourself be totally soft and relaxed. Start with your head and your scalp and your forehead and your nose and your lips and your tongue, your cheeks, your chin, and down into your neck. And then bundle that up and let it flow all the way down your body and be soft. And then just enough tension to begin to pull the breath in through both nostrils, maintaining everything soft. Not trying, not worrying about whether you're doing it right, or is it long enough, or is it deep enough. Just let your body rise on the inhale and let it fall as the sound of the car below fades away. And then breathe in again. Soft and round. Your body expanding on each in-breath and sinking back on each out-breath. Breathe in the sound of the birds. And on each inhale, breathe in the sound of the birds. And the oxygen transfers to your bloodstream, and your bloodstream circulates it all throughout your body. And as the car moves away, let your exhale follow the sound of the car. And then breathe in the birds again. It's a beautiful morning. The clouds are giving way to blue sky behind us. Have a really great day. May that long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on.